As the Director of Product Marketing, it's imperative that our organization has a clear understanding of what's going on in the market, and even more importantly, what will be the future trends of the industry. Publishers are faced with so many challenges these days that they're constantly having to reevaluate their strategies and business models. There's a constant battle between monetization and engagement. When ads are becoming more and more of a commodity, the prices of the advertisements are eroding. Therefore, there's a need, in order to increase or even maintain your current revenue, there's a need to find ways to increase your viewability or even add additional monetization sockets to the ones you already have. But that's where it starts to get tricky. How much monetization is too much? How many different solutions can you add before you start getting calls from the IT department that the tags are weighing down your site? Is one tool cannibalizing the other? Who is balancing all those separate tools into one solution? Bottom line is, we're witnessing a lot of publishers overcrowding their sites with various intrusive tools which end up driving users away, monetizing over engagement. The idea is to monetize revenue while maintaining a great user experience or even enriching the reader. The second is keeping up with the technology race in the ad tech industry. As one of the big publishers once told me, there's a technology battle out there and we, the publishers, are getting left behind. We're witnessing so many changes in the market in these last couple of years. For example, the shift in platforms, moving from desktop to mobile. We're definitely in a mobile-first world today, but the challenge of monetizing the mobile screen is a main one. The user experience of a mobile is much different than the desktop users, and the real estate is limited in number and in types of ads that you can actually serve on the actual screen. The advertising is moving from direct advertising to programmatic. The publishers know the brand and know their audience the best. With programmatic, the advertising is kind of in between the direct communication between the publisher and the end users, and it changes. And the fear of losing control of what's being actually served to their end user is a big concern. And not to mention move from display to native, or from creating text articles now to video. The shift in traffic sources, from direct traffic to organic or social. The days of the brand being the actual direct destination are changing. Each one of those changes has a huge impact on the publisher's business. From the way you create your content, all the way down to how you monetize it, or even how you engage your users. And that's where CodeFuel comes in. Our goal is to help publishers balance between the monetization and engagement. We spend a lot of time and resources to understand our customers and our customers' customers. We study their needs, their challenges, their behaviors, and we make it our business to know exactly what's keeping them up at night. Our goal is to help the publishers balance between the monetization and the engagement. But we do it with the end user in mind, which is kind of unique in our industry when you think about it. We improve the user experience and we increase the user engagement in order to also grow the revenues in the future. We develop holistic solutions, not just sporadic tools. We have the unique ability to look at the entire site as a whole, not just as scattered or isolated monetization outlets. When you have the holistic view of the site, you have the better ability to solve core challenges and not just local symptoms. Today we have a clear understanding of which of the solutions are out there, and we find a way to do things different and hopefully better. Though the market is very, very crowded with technical solutions, there's still a huge potential of how we can still help publishers around engagement and the monetization.